So hey everyone, the OnePlus 10R features and pricing has been leaked and it appears like the future OnePlus phone will be essentially be a rebranded version of the Realme GT Neo 3. Yes guys, the entire specifications including the display, RAM, storage, hardware, cameras and battery were leaked by 91 Mobiles alongside the tipster Yogesh Brar, and they are identical to all new Realme GT Neo 3. OnePlus appears to be skipping the regular OnePlus 10 this year, leaving us with the only OnePlus 10R to look forward to. This year, I believe OnePlus is heading off the rails. According to the source, the OnePlus 10R will essentially be a rebranded Realme GT Neo 3, a 6.7 inches Full HD Plus E4 AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus capabilities will be included in the phone. The MediaTek Dimensity 8100 processor will power the forthcoming OnePlus phone. The OnePlus 10R will be available in 8GB or 12GB LPDDR5 RAM configuration with storage options of 128GB and 256GB of UFS 3.1. Let me inform you that the OnePlus 10R will not include a alert slider or a 3.5mm audio jack. In terms of sensor, the OnePlus 10R will include a triple rear camera system with a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, an 8MP ultra wide and a 2MP macro. The OnePlus phone will come with a 16MP camera on the front. The phone will have a 4500 mAh battery that is identical to the Realme GT Neo 3 and will enable 150W fast charging. As with the Realme GT Neo 3, the OnePlus 10R will have a second version with a 5000 mAh battery and supports for 80W fast charging. The device will come with a Oxygen OS 12 and Android 12 based operating system, Gorilla Glass on the front and back, high-res audio capability, dual speakers and Dolby Audio support are also included. The phone, according to the source, will powered by the Dimensity 8100 SoC. The previous rumors stated a Dimensity 9000 CPU. It seems like OnePlus is losing its hold on the flagship killer tag that we used to give on every OnePlus phone. It would be interesting to watch what Nothing does or how they use this opportunity, because Nothing is a major competitor in the coming days. In terms of price, according to reports, the OnePlus 10R will be priced similar to its predecessor. As a result, the phone pricing may begin at the same $526. The OnePlus 10R will be confined to Asian regions like it was last year and will be released between April and June. So what do you think about this OnePlus 10R? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.